Sup guys, Bass Boys here. We got Ryan here. He's here with us today. We're back at a lake here in the small little woods here. This weather's getting colder here. Let's get started and see if we can find crappies today here. So as usual, I got my Syncroy Panfish series rod here. It's a 6-foot ultralight. Anybody who watches the channel knows this is my rod of choice for crappie fishing most of the time. And then I got my Shimano Sedona, a 1000 size reel. I'm using 4-pound test P-line, fluorocarbon. And then for bait today, we're gonna use what I just used in a recent video. Did pretty good with the crappies. Is this mini itty bit slab hunter. Let me show you that in the camera because I usually don't. The little tiny 1-inch Bobby Garland slab hunter. It's the little version. There's a big version too, and then a 1/32 ounce jig head. It's the jig I'm using there. It's actually a sunny day out today. I was gonna say cloudy, but it's been cloudy most of the week. But today's our first day. It's kind of hot actually. I got 2 hoodies on. Starting to sweat here actually. So, but I won't be complaining later because it'll definitely cool down. Anyway, let's get our first cast in here. I can still kind of see the weeds out there. It's definitely not totally gone. There still are plenty of weeds here on top. But yeah, I had this bait in my bag for a while, this 80-bit, and I never really tried to use it. Since I really like using Bobby Garlands, I've been using all different types of them. They all seem to do pretty good. I mean, they're all kind of the same thing, but this one's definitely smaller than the regular 2-inch. Obviously, it's 1-inch bait. But I think I'm gonna go walk over here because it still is pretty weedy over there. So we'll try over here where we were getting them before when we were here last. This is the same place I got that big bass too at night. Definitely a bit breezy out. Oh, Ryan's got something gooder. A gooder fish. Holy crap. That's gotta be a bass or a pike. Holy crap, a bluegill. Freaking thing fought hard. It's a good size one. Nice. Not a bad size at all. It's a chunkster. It's a little fatty. The way that thing was fighting, it looked like had to be a bass or like a pike. He took the bobber down though. No skunk today, but bluegill ain't gonna cut it.
I'm gonna take a walk to the corner over there.
You are? Well, let's both go over there. No one's gonna come back here. But yeah, we're gonna try the spots down there, see if there's anything. But we gotta make sure we're over here at 5:27. Be back here by 6. Unless, you know, we just are killing them over there. Good old crappies. We'll stay there. Because right now, the action isn't hot. The action's not hot over here right now. Alright, over here, different corner here. Try here for a little while. Make sure we go back to the spot we were just in before the sun goes down. But let's see how we do here. Depends on how we do here, if anything. Oh, I got a hit. Oh my god. Got it. Felt like a pretty good hit too. Like a fish.
Nice.
There we go. Something good.
Hope it's a crappie. What a big old bass.
It's a bass. Not a big old one now. Just that typical size.
It's like a 12-inch herberry.
Yeah. Got it hooked good. It came right out.
What are 12 inchers decent?
Yeah. Cold. First bass in a while. Alright, got the big bluegill and we got that bass over here. Nothing else. Nothing else really. Alright. Head back to the spot because the sun is going down quickly. Alright, well, back here again. The sun is basically pretty much almost gone. Let's see if there's anything here yet. It should be. Oh, I got a hit. Damn it, man. Fucker.
I'm just getting players, man. I'm just getting players.
Getting impatient, setting it probably too early. The hell? The heck is that? Horses. I was wondering what that noise was. Maybe they're fishing. Some horse riders. Oh, there we go. Got one. It's a bass. Look at this. Crap, that thing going nuts there. Now we're catching bass now. It's a second 12-inch bass. That one went crazy though. What the heck was going on? He's trying to act bigger than what he was. I'm just gonna go with the classic 2-inch baby shad in the hologram color. Take off this itty bitty slab hunter. Well, we are still looking for the fish. Still not biting. It's almost 6:30. It's dark. It's almost dark. Still a little bit of light. Still looking for them crappies though. So far we just got those 2 bass. Ryan's bluegill. A bunch of birds.
Crappie's at?
I don't know.
Anything about it?
Not really. Not too happy. Alright, well, we're gonna head over to the neighboring lake to here. Not a good day over here. These fish, I thought they'd eventually bite, but it's almost 7 o'clock and we haven't had a hit over here, so I think all we got right now is 3 bass, or two bass and a bluegill. I don't know, 2 or 3 bass, something like that. But tiny bass. Dang old bunny. Alright, well, here we are. Finally got here. First bad sign. Somehow it's yeah, but this area somehow has a bunch of weeds in it now. But we're gonna try it still. Over to the right here, it's most clear from weeds. Use this ultralight here. The garland. We're on the pier now. The classic pier. Our last shot at a fish. Just trying to catch a fish here. It's chilly out. It's definitely chilly now. Definitely got much colder than what it was. You think he's gonna get one there?
No. I don't think we were gonna get anything when we came here.
Yeah. Alright guys, well this place is a joke. Me and Ryan come here a lot at night. Probably been here at least 6 or 7 times this year at night. And every time it's just dead. Just something about this place. What could you say about it, Ryan? Want to say anything about it, or say anything to the forest preserve here? You should have something to say. Say it.
No.
As long as it's not.
I want to come here ever again. It's a waste of time every time.
But what's wrong with it? Look pretty disappointed, like more than you should be. No, you're not disappointed, but you just look more than usual. All I gotta say is this place isn't good anymore. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's one of the most dead places that we fish. We had one good fishing day here the whole year. I mean, we don't even waste our time coming here during the day. It's like even worse. But it's terrible. I don't know what else to say. But we caught some fish at the other place.
It's the only place open at night. That's why we're here.
Yeah, it's the only place at night. I mean, there's other places that we fish at night. We probably shouldn't be. Probably not allowed to be there. But there's no signs or anything. They're not forest preserves or anything. They're just ponds. So that's our only way we can fish at night, is either here or we go somewhere like that. But yeah, like I was saying, there's a neighboring lake. That's where we were just at. And we caught, 3 dink bass or whatever, 2 dinks. Ryan caught a bluegill. No crappies, unfortunately. That's what we were trying to get. But yeah, this place is dead. So I guess that's it. Like button, subscribe to our channel. See you guys in the next video.
Bass.